The brain volume shrinks and after 50 the neurons, nerve cells, shrink. At birth there are about 300 bones in a child's body, in adulthood there are only 206. The small intestine of a man when he is alive is about 2.5 meters long. After his death, when the musculature of the intestinal wall relaxes, the length reaches 6 meters. A person's right lung can hold more air than the left. An adult takes about 23,000 breaths and exhales per day. The smallest cells in a man's body are sperm cells. There are about 40,000 bacteria in the human mouth. There are about 2,000 taste buds in the human body. The human eye is capable of distinguishing 10 million shades of color. The chemical compound responsible for the ecstasy of love, phenylethylamine, is present in chocolate. The human heart generates enough pressure to raise the blood to the 4th floor level. A person burns more calories while sleeping than while watching TV. Children grow up the fastest in the spring. More than 2,000 left-handed people die each year because of an error in operating machinery designed for right-handed people. It turns out that 1 in 300 men is able to satisfy himself orally. A man uses 17 muscles when he smiles and 43 when he frowns. At the age of 60, most people lose half of their taste buds. When flying in an airplane, a person's hair growth rate doubles. 1% of people can see infrared and 1% can see ultraviolet light. If you are trapped in a fully enclosed room, you will die from carbon dioxide poisoning, not from lack of air. Statistically, only 1 person in 2 billion crosses the 116-year threshold. The average person speaks 4,800 words in 24 hours. The retina inside the eye covers about 650 square millimeters and contains 137 million light-sensitive cells, 130 million rods for black and white vision and 7 million cones for color vision. Our eyes are always the same size from birth, but our nose and ears never stop growing. A person is about 8 millimeters taller in the morning than in the evening. The eye's focusing muscles move 100,000 times a day. You have to walk 80 kilometers a day for your leg muscles to make the same amount of contractions. Coughing is an explosive charge of air that travels at up to 60 miles per hour. According to German researchers, the risk of a heart attack is higher on a Monday than any other day of the week. Bone is 5 times stronger than steel. You can't sneeze with your eyes open. Ingrown toenails are a hereditary trait. A normal person will die from complete lack of sleep faster than from starvation. Death will occur in about 10 days without sleep, while from starvation it will take several weeks. The average lifespan is 2,475,576,000 seconds. We say an average of 123,205,750 words in a lifetime, have sex 4,239 times.